Okay, let's take a look at this question. So in this question, they mentioned that this person have deposited $15,000 in an account, pays 5.68% compound interest per year. Find the total amount in the account after 6 years. And now in this one, they tell you there are two parts to it, one compounded monthly and the other one half yearly. Okay, just a recap on your formula. So total amount equals to principal times 1 plus the rate over 100 close bracket to the power n. So by now you should know that n is number of times you compound. Okay, and your r is your rate. So if I'm going to do part A, I need to fill up certain things first. So I need to fill up what's my P, I need to fill up what is my R, I need to fill up my N. So my principal, I know is 15,000, that doesn't change. My rate, now the rate that's given in my question is for rate for 1 whole year. But if I'm going to compound monthly, I will have to divide that by 12 to find what is the monthly rate. So for n number of times I compound, since I do it every month for 6 years, I have to 6 times 12 to find the total number of times I compound it. Okay, so now apply into the formula, and I will have this. And your final answer will be 21074.129. So for money, you always round off to 2 decimal places unless otherwise stated. So this will be the answer. Okay, so for the next part, part B, they ask you for a half yearly compound, which means every 6 months they compound. So the principal remains the same, so there's no change in this. Now the rate that's given in the question is every 12 months, but now you want half yearly, so you have to make sure that you find the interest for every 6 months, which means every half a year. So the number of times you compound will now become 6 times 2, because every year in 2 times a year you're going to compound it. So this is what you get. So substitute these things into your formula and this is what you get. So remember, round off the 2 at 2 dp, so 1/4.